Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Aftertop 550 watt USB-C charging station. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this out of its box, that looks like it's probably the charging piece. Instruction manual. Main charger, it looks like. We'll walk through some of this. Alright, so as you can see, there's some great information here. I'm not going to go over it. 100 watt, 100 watt, 100 watt, 100 watt, 4 PD 100 watt, and this is the extent of it. So it's about 2 feet, I would say, maybe a little bit longer. That's a nice little feature, actually. It kind of clicks right in. I don't know if that's magnetized or not, but let's see. Yeah, it's magnetized, which is great. So it stays up and doesn't dangle in your face when you're sitting at a desktop or anything. Remove some of these. Now also on the front, forgive me, you'll have a 30 watt it looks like, and 260 watts. I'm honestly not wearing my glasses, so the numbers could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Overall, very good looking. You'll see the 4 little rubberized dots here to make sure it doesn't scratch up your surface. This is a plug in the wall, and basically we'll just pop this right in there. And just to demonstrate, I'm going to undo this real quick and use a quick outlet right next to me, just to see if there's any kind of lights that go on or anything. There does not appear to be. So we'll go ahead and just kind of showcase the charging. All right, so the question that I always like to kind of solve or answer is, first of all, does it charge multiple devices? My phone, charging. So while we're doing that, I actually want to charge, I've got kind of like an extra, I guess a power pack here that it allows me to kind of see the charging input and output. So we're going to just showcase this power in number, and obviously these are 100 watt cables. I find that it usually doesn't go to the actual numbers that are specified. Right now we're at 60, 61. I'm going to take this out again and plug it in again, because sometimes it does vary based on that. Either way, we're still charging dual. And we're at 27, 35, 44, 54, 61, hammering at about 60. Now, again, these are the 100 watt cables, so just be aware of that. We're floating around 61. I'm going to take this off and see if that does anything. It is still remaining. Nope, it just cranked up. So that is the key. So it just went up to, it was at 94. And let's go again and see what this does on its own, and kind of show you that we're 94, and then it's shutting down to 0, but it is charging. So it's probably kind of just rebooting itself up there once it gets up to that peak point, so it doesn't overload. But that's kind of the cool thing, is that it does go to 93. And then it kind of cools itself off, and that's probably just this device, just to be clear. So I'm really impressed with the speeds. I'm going to continue to leave that sucker to charge back up. So overall, this thing's a really convenient device. Multiple charging ports, obviously, so you can charge 7 things at once. I'm going to be putting this right on my desk. 550 watt total, which is pretty sweet. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.